I'm Phil Whitehead. I am the Training and Compliance Manager for Pullman Fleet Solutions. Okay, so the Academy is our internal training school, which will also be developed into an external offering over the next few months. And we have a dedicated training manager who delivers our internal courses.
Hello, I'm Carl Belcher. I am the training manager for the Pullman Academy. I'm very proud to be of that. I manage the training and produce the training and do the training. We've just recently done a 3-day course on first aid and AED training. And we also do OLET training, which all of our technicians are taking part in, so they know why we're doing it and why we do what we do. On our compliance side, supported by IMI and being credited with, which helps us do tech, trailer and truck, and allows us to give courses out for those technicians. So with compliance and over health and safety, we do fork truck licensing. We do roadside courses for our mobile technicians. We do grindstone courses, which is City & Guild certificated. And obviously going forward with the Academy, we're looking at new courses that we can possibly train within and hopefully train out, which is going to be interesting and fun for the Academy.
It needs to be easy to book onto a course, it needs to be easy to accept a course and do online training, and we'll develop the Academy into a digital platform as well as a physical delivery of training courses in the very near future.